Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to find your Windows 11 product key using a very simple method. This works on laptops and PCs as well. So, stop looking for the sticker on the back of your laptop. It's not there anymore. I'm going to show you one simple command that pulls your Windows 11 product key directly from your motherboard in less than 5 seconds. No downloads, no software, and no extra tools required. Let's get started. So you can get your product key and save it for future reference or future use. This way, you always have your own product key with you. To do this, first click on the Start menu, type CMD, then right click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now, to find your Windows 11 product key, you need to enter one command, which I'll also mention in the description. Simply paste the command and hit enter. The moment you do that, your Windows 11 product key will appear instantly. You can now copy it, press Ctrl plus C and paste it somewhere safe so you can save it for later. And that's it. This is how you can easily find your Windows 11 product key on your laptop or desktop. If you found this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and useful tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.